Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. I hope you are all doing great and I'm fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today in this video I will describe these circumstances which is already you observed around me. This environment is totally calm and quiet, though I have heard some birds are chirping and some cattle are grazing on the field. The farmers are busy to plant their very plant on the land, and you have already seen that a spiral canal is going onto the village. But I am standing in front of you to describe these circumstances. This circumstances is very calm and quiet, and to watch these circumstances is very nice and fantastic. And you can't believe that what I was say, what I am feeling, what I am I am watching and I am observing what is around me. This land is full of grass, but in every season, in every time, it turned into a different color. Now it's look grassy. It will be turned into barren whenever the tractor driver plow this land. And whenever the farmers plant their lands, it will be turned into greenery. This scenery will be very extra charming to watch this. But in this cozy environment, in this beautiful environment, you can't never what is happening in these circumstances. And whenever you come here, whenever you walk through this greenery field, through this canal, you will exactly watching what will occurring in these circumstances. I have already said that some birds are swarming over the trees over my head, and though the cattle are crossing on their fields, but you can't feel if you don't come here, if you don't walk through these lines, through this canal, and if you walk through the farmers. I have just here to describe these circumstances. I have come here to speak in front of you. Some farmers are calling me by name, but I don't pay any hate to them because they know me and they are laughing at me. They are staring at me and they don't know what I am saying. But whenever I will upload this video, they will can understand my space what I am saying here. Dear viewers, actually the village life is total different from the cities. This village life is totally with chaos, and though some people think the village people are simple and easy, but they are not. They are not. Whenever you come here, if you mix with them, you can understand what they are. They are totally different from the cities people. They always adhere to the others, what they are doing, what they are thinking, but they never understand the other persons. They always think about themselves. They don't never think with other people, which I think where I am thinking another people's, but they don't never think other people's. They are busy with their personal interest. They are busy with their personal work. They never think with others. But whenever you engaged with any obstacles, any difficulties, they never come here to, or they never come to help you. They will busy their tasks. And still whenever I am trying to say something in front of this video, they are calling by name and say something, or they are abuses me. Actually not abuses, but they are trying to say something what I am doing in front of camera, because I have already bring a tripod and recording this video, and they are staring at me by stopping their work. Okay, no more today. Bye bye.